Hey, what is up guys, my name is Ahmad and today in this video I am going to show you how you guys can create section with glass effect. Here you can see on my screen I have created these 3 sections with glass effect. Just easy, you don't need Elementor Pro or any Pro plugin. We are going to do this only using free resources. So let's start creating this section. For this, first log in into your WordPress dashboard and hover on pages, create a new page, or you can create this on any existing page. Let me add a new page for this one. Let me name it glass. Default 100% full width. Title will be disable and header will be disabled too. Let publish it and open the page and let's see how it's look. So here is our page. Let's start creating. Click on edit with Elementor. So Elementor is loaded. Let's click on this plus icon, select 3 sections and select the section, make it full width and set the minimum height to VH. I'm going to set it 100 VH. So it will select my whole screen. Click on update. Now click on style, click on this classic icon and select the image. I provided this image in description, you can download it. Insert image, you will get this. Now position, make it center and size will be cover. Click on update. Now click on background overlay. This is optional, you can do it or not, depend on you. Let me do this. Let me add the color code of 202020 and you will get this color. I am doing with this. You can increase this and decrease this depend on you. Let me add it 5. Click on update. So let's start creating this. So first click on this 9 dot. We need an inner section under this section, so click on this inner section, drop here. Now delete one section, right click on this section and click on delete, and now we have inner section under a section. So first select the upper section, outer section and go to advanced tab, unlink this padding. Now under left right type 40 pixels, left right 40 and top bottom will be 70 pixels padding. Okay, now select this inner section and come here, add left right to 25 pixel and top or bottom will be 40 pixel. Okay, now let's start. First drop a heading here, name it 02, align center, duplicate this heading. Now enter 2. Now drop an text editor under this heading. I want this in lengthy, so I will duplicate this text. And now go to style and color will be white with center line, and let's change the typography to Poppins. You can use any font, I am using Poppins. And now increase the size to this much. Let's make it 15 pixels. Okay, now looking good. Now let's design this. Click on this, go to style, change the color to white and let's change the typography to Poppins. Increase the size to 185. Let's do it 185. Okay, and now we have to decrease the color opacity. Increase, decrease. This much looks good. Now go to 2 and design it. Color is white. Typography will be Poppins. Increase the size to, let's do it 50 pixels. Okay, it looks good. Now increase the weight to 700. Now select this one and go to advanced. Unlink the margin and add 50 pixels of margin, negative margin from bottom. Now increase it to 80. Let's add 150. Depend on you, you can add more and less. Now 130 looks good. Now select this section and go to advanced. Now add some margin from top and bottom let me add 30 pixels. Okay, now it's look good. Now we have to add a button. Here you can see I have added one button here. You can see I have added a button. Let's add a button. For click on 9 dots and drop this button here. Align this center and let's design this button. Let me change the color to learn mode. Okay, it looks good. Now change the typography to Poppins. Transformation will be uppercase, or let's do capitalize. Increase the size to 15. Okay, now it looks good. Now change the background color to white, text color to black, and add a border, solid border of 2 pixels. Border color will be white. Now come back to hover and background color will be transparent, text color will be white. Okay, it look good. Okay, it's done with content. Let's design this. First we have to do some CSS. For you can use, if you have Pro Elementor, you can use CSS. I'm using free Elementor. If I click on custom CSS, I will get this. First purchase the Pro, but I'm going to do it for free. The person who don't have Elementor Pro, who can also use the glass effect on their or their client sites. Let's come back to main Elementor. Click on this 9 dots and search for HTML. You will get this HTML. Place it to anywhere. Now you will get this CSS. Just copy this. If you have Elementor Pro, you have to copy just this much from background to this much. You don't need to copy this style tag or this glass. Just copy this much and paste it here. Will not get any response. Now let's select this, go to here and enter the class to glass, and now you can see we have got the glass effect on this section here. You can see. Okay, so now it's look good. So let's do some margin or padding. Here you can see it's not look good. Its width is very high. Let's click on this section, come here, let's make it 40 pixels and 40 pixels, and now you can see it's look good. Okay, so it's done. Now copy this section, delete this both section from left and right, delete, and delete this section. And now let's duplicate this section, duplicate, once more duplicate. Okay, now we have to edit the content. Change here content 201, make it 1. Now change content here, make it 03, and here will be 3. Okay, let's update it and let's see how it's look. It looks very good. Let's change. I have done a mistake on here, spelling mistake 1. Okay, update it. Okay, let's see how it look on our website. Okay, it's look very good on our website. Hope you will understand how you can create glass effect on your sections on using Elementor. We have do it using free resources. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share my channel. Goodbye.